great results, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Today what I have for you is kind of a mini makeover. I'm going to show you how to refresh your home, your living room, just by changing a few accessories. And as you can tell right now, you can see my warmer colors. And there's a few white accessories, such as the pitcher and the little dish here. And I'm going to be adding some whites because if you like the farm home style look, we'll be able to incorporate a few of those without having to change everything. And I have my focal point over here, my fireplace. I will show you later how I'm going to change that as well. And a little table over here behind me. So I'm excited and I hope you enjoy it. Let me show you a quick look of what we're going to be working with. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is start with our coffee table here. I'm going to move these and I'm going to move these away, and I'm going to replace them with a springy basket bouquet. And I love pink and peaches, and it's got some light right there. And I will leave the books. Another thing that I thought would look cute there, it's this bunny I've had for a while, but you can find anything like that anywhere. Michael's, Hobby Lobby. I am going to go ahead and leave. Oh, also, I changed the cover of my magazine to a more neutral color, refreshing, because everything affects the look right here. Okay, so now I have this pillow that I bought last year on clearance at Kirkland, and it says Happy Easter. And I thought I'll put this in the middle. And now it's time to get rid of this one and this one as well. And I can either flip this over and use the white, because if you do have a dark couch, you will lighten it up by adding light. Okay. And if you remember one of my first films, I show you how to update your pillows. So this is again the same idea. You get a pillowcase, whatever color you're working with, and it is a lot cheaper than going to go buy some pillows. But anyways, so you can either use that, which is a really soft light lilac, or you can go ahead and leave your white ones. And we will move on to my table over there. Moving on to the table, we are going to remove the orange candle because we're no longer working with that. We're going to remove the angel and the picture, and then we're going to add a candle. You can either add a colored candle, a soft pastel maybe, and this is one of those that are electric. So I went ahead and I put that band around it that has a beautiful greenery vine and some roses, but you can pick whatever you'd like just to add some color. And I like the white because it kind of ties in with all the white around. And if you are working with that farm home style, there is a lot of white, I like to tell you. And now I also have this cute little plaque I bought. It's Eastery, and I got it at Hobby Lobby. Everything is 40% right now, and I placed it back here. And now we're going to move this book and place our clay pot on top. It gives it a little bit of height. And now what I'd like to show you is that you can add flowers to make it more of a springy look. Okay. And it's better to add 3 to 5 number. Works really good, okay? So if you don't like this color, you can always find something that you like with, or you can just do all white, just like that. See how beautiful it looks and fresh. Or you can add some color. I have two flowers here that look really pretty as well. Just look really natural. And what I have here is a greenery bush, so you can always find those anywhere. And I like to mention that the clay pot adds a little bit of an outdoorsy look. So if you are working with the farm home style, that would look great. Another thing I like to mention is that you can make this little vine just with a wire around, and if you can just find, oops, sorry about that, some greenery, you can cut it and just wire it all around, and then you have your nice greenery for your candle. So doesn't that look beautiful and refreshing? Like I said, just a few accessories and it would refresh your look. Okay, here we have the finished product. Everything looks springy and fresh. I had a basket over there by the fireplace that I removed and put a lantern off to the right just to balance the candles that you see on top of the fireplace. So it's like a vertical diagonal line off to the left and brown on the right side. And I removed the deer I had up there and put some fresh flowers as well in that pot. They're artificial. But anyways, I hope that you've enjoyed this series and give me a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.